Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. And if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, today's video, I would like to show you some happy mail that I got and some finished objects. So just grab you something to drink. This was given to me from one of my yarny peeps, and I love it. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so today's video, I'm just going to, I did show my little Christmas elf pattern yesterday's video, but I was just going to let you know that if you are email subscribed, I guess you could call it, to Adoring Doll Clothes website, then you will be getting an email for 20% off this pattern. And so be sure and look for that. And if you are not subscribed to the email subscription, then go ahead and sign up. It's free. And then once a month, you get a free accessory pattern for the dolls. So, you know, and I don't send very many emails out, so it's not like your email is going to be bogged down with stuff from me. I just, every time I release a pattern, then I send out an email with a 20% off coupon. When I have sales going on, I send that email out, and then you get the one once a month from me. And yeah, that's about it. So go to adoringdollclothes.com, and that's where you'll see all the patterns. I not only have my doll clothes patterns on there, but I have my wearables, all my scarves, hats, and all that type of stuff on there too. Okay, well, one of the things that I got in the mail was, this is from Stringy Ding Ding. And it says, Plenty of Fish in the Sea. And this is her first amigurumi book. I'm not going to showcase this today. I just wanted to let you guys know that coming up, there will be a giveaway for one of these books. And like I said, I'll show this in more detail in my next video. But because I wanted to make a few things before I show it off. But I was so excited about this book, I couldn't wait to at least give you a sneak peek. So be sure and look for that. She has graciously sent this to me. She is a very talented lady, and I respect her work. And I'm just so thrilled to have that. And like I said, I'll show that in another video, and I will showcase her beautiful book that she has worked so hard on. And I'm going to make a few items out of it to see, you know, reading her patterns and, you know, that type of stuff, so I can give a good, honest review on that book. I already know I'm going to like it, though, because I've made tons of her Halloween stuff. So I'm pretty much already sold. Anyway, okay, so just be looking for that video, okay? I have a year-long crochet along for towel toppers going on. And if you haven't heard, it's never too late. Everybody needs towel toppers. Christmas is coming, Thanksgiving coming, and people need towel toppers. And so what we've been doing all year is, when you make one, you can email it to me, which no one has done that yet. They've always put it in my Facebook group page. Now, my whip caddies, people have sent me emails on that, I guess because they don't do the whip, they don't do the Facebook. But my towel topper people that are doing this crochet along, they are posting theirs. And then at the end of the month, I make a slideshow with music with their name in big letters along with their hard work. And it's just a lot of fun. I think everyone seems to be enjoying it. I know that I enjoy it. It does take a little bit of work putting the slideshow together, but it is a lot of fun at the same time. Okay, I'm going to show you what I have done for my November part of the crochet along. These are two of them that I made, and I can't remember the lady's name. Please forgive me. One of you viewers sent me a box of towels already cut, and they even serged the edge, and I'm so sorry, I cannot remember the name. But it is so much appreciated, and I'm using these towels like crazy. So here's two of them. I thought they were really cute. And then I have two more. And then some of these my daughter has bought. Here's these. And then some was given from by one of you viewers. And get the fuzz off. And then here's these two. These two go to my daughter. The other two, I only do for a month. I have 2 ladies that I plan on giving 1 towel to. And so when Christmas gets here, they're going, that person, or the 4 ladies are going to get 12. And they're all going to be holiday themed. I'm just so excited over that. So I'm probably going to have to do this next year. Even if I don't do it video-wise, I'm still going to do it. Because it's just been so much fun. And it helps me know what to give someone. Okay, so the other thing is, during the this, I've also been making my mom a pair of slippers. So when Christmas gets here, she'll get 12 pairs of slippers from me. Well, the ones for November, I did these right here. This is a pattern that I already have out. I think it's called the Sock Monkey slipper, but you know, I just may redo this because everyone's getting confused thinking that sock monkey, I don't want to do a sock monkey, but it's the same pattern. You just change your colors. That's all it is. So this is from my mom's, and I always put these little cuffs. She likes these because it helps the slipper stay on good. Not that the slipper comes off, but it just keeps it nice and tight. I like it too. So the yarn that I use from this is, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby, and it is called Rainbow. Color name is Rainbow. But there it is. Isn't that beautiful? That is some nice fall colors. All right. So my mom also has a birthday in November. So I made her some for her birthday. I asked her, I said, Mom, what do you want? She said slippers. She gets slippers. So I made her these. And I ran out of this yarn right here. And so I just added pink to it, to the last couple of rows, and then to here. I was probably going to already do the pink up here. Pink or purple, I hadn't made my mind up at the time. But then when I did run out of yarn, then what happened is I made this one all the way, and then I started on this one, and I thought I would have enough to do all the way. I knew I probably wouldn't have enough to do the cuff, but I thought I would at least be able to get to here. Well, I didn't. So I had to frog this one all the way back, I think maybe to about maybe 3 rows of it. And then I just switched back and forth. I worked on each end of the yarn until I got as many rows as I could possibly get. And then I added the pink. And I was in the car doing this. Matter of fact, all of my mom's slippers that I'm showing today, I did them while being a passenger in a car. I don't have the band for that. It is Red Heart, but I don't have the band. I'm pretty sure it's probably Red Heart. It feels like Red Heart. The other thing I made my mom is some of these in blue. So she gets a pair in blue. She loves these colors. Actually, she when I do slippers, she always says she don't really care what color I give her. Just give her some slippers. And I love this yarn. There's the color right there. I love that. And it is called, what are you called? Here it is, Mint Lace. All right, so her third pair is, are these right here. And they do have like some little shiny stuff in them. So I'm hoping whenever they get washed up that's not awkward feeling on her feet. And so here's the other one. The yarn that I use for that is called, it's Mulberry is the color, but it's Big Twist. Right there. And I just thought that was a good fall color for her. Oh, and then that pink that I use is Big Twist also, called Bubblegum. It's a nice bright pink. I have this pattern memorized. I don't even have to look at it, the written part of it anymore. I can just get in the car and just crochet a pair up. They're that easy, guys. That easy. Okay, the other thing is I have a tutorial on this right here, on these little soap bags. Right there. I love this. And my mom saw mine and she wants one. So I got her some Dial soap. And she can put that inside here and then she can bathe with it. So I did get her that, or make her that. that's all I have for the things I made. Let's look at some Happy Mail. I got some Happy Mail from Doris Rose Cottage Studio. Thank you so much, Doris. I love this. Now, when I got this package, she sent me 2 packages. But when I got this one package, I just was squealing in the car. I was so excited to see this. I love turquoise. And she gave me, this is sealed up, so I'm not going to take it out. She gave me 3 of these. Look at this, guys. It is the Red Heart Super Saver Ombre. I love the Walmart Super Saver Ombre, the colors that they have in this. I just love it. It's called, this one's called Scuba. Yep, it's called Scuba. Isn't it gorgeous? I don't know what I want to make with it because I'm thinking I want to make a blanket, a little Afghan for myself. So I'm hoping 3 is enough. But I love it. I just love this. I was so excited. So I said, I didn't even look to see if there was a note. And then here's the other one. So yes, she sent me 3 of these. Okay. So thank you for that, Doris. I can't wait to get started on that. I have made tons of blankets with this ombre yarn from Red Heart, and it washes up so good. It's a little tough on your fingers, you know, when you're working a big project, but I got some pretty tough fingers. I can pretty much work with anything, and it doesn't bother me. So, yeah. The other thing is she sent this, and this is just gorgeous too. It's a light turquoise color. Isn't that pretty? She sent 2 of these, and I'm excited. It kind of looks mint green, but it kind of looks turquoise at the same time. It's hard to explain. But this is the Premier Anti-Peeling Bobbin yarn. If you haven't seen this, it's yarn that comes on a spool. And that is like a light pink color. And then that's the mixture of the mint green. I'm going to call it mint green. And then the pink mixed together. It's a medium 4 weight, which to me kind of reminds me of a thicker 3 weight or a thin 4 weight. It's 100% anti-peeling acrylic. There's 543 yards in here, and there's 181 yards of each color. So, yeah. Very pretty. Thank you for that, Doris. She actually sent me 2 of them. Looky there. 2 in that color. So that's enough to do something with. And this one, I was so excited for this. She sent 2 of these. Isn't that pretty? Let's see. The color on this one is periwinkle. But it looks blue to me. It doesn't look periwinkle to me. I don't know if I told you the color on this one. It is Angel. That's a good name for that, Angel. Okay, so the other thing is she sent me some of this Hometown. I have been wanting to try this yarn. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to make, there's 81 yards. I'm going to try to get a hat out of this. I've been needing a white hat. So I think I'm going to make that with it. But I've been wanting to try this yarn out. So I'm glad that you sent this to me. But it's Hometown Line Brand yarn. And it's a super bulky 6. 81 yards, 100% acrylic. Machine washable and dry. The color is called New York White. And there's the cover on it, the label. I like the label. It's pretty. Okay, and then she sent this, and I thought this was kind of cool. Or really cool, I guess. Not kind of cool. She has this balled up, and it's the Chunky Bloom, and I like the organza bag that came in. But I do have, I think, one of these, so it's nice that I'm going to be able to put this together with another one. Premier Bloom Chunky, self-striping floral print, 109 yards, 100% acrylic. And it is a bulky 5. So, but yeah, I have one of these put over there somewhere. Anyway, so I'm going to add this one to it. But aren't the colors pretty on that? Thank you so much for that. And I appreciate that very much. The other thing is, she sent this, and I just think this is cool. It's this bag she gets. I think it's from Crochet Society. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's what it is. CrochetSociety.co. But it says, life is better with yarn. And I just love this. I love the color of the way that zipper. I love the gold zipper. But there is like a pattern book she gave me. And I like this one. Let's see. And then there's 2 little boxes in here. This is that texture of where, you know, stuff doesn't get wet. I thought this was really cool. And I was telling my husband, I got my first box of crochet cards. And he's like, what? But anyway, here's this. And then here's this side of them. So, look at that picture. I didn't even notice that. I looked at them, but I guess I didn't look that close. But anyway, I thought it was cool. And thank you for that. So yeah, I got my first box of crochet cards. And I do play cards, mostly with by myself. I can't get no one in this household to play with me. And the other thing is this cute little box here. It's these little scissors right here. Now, I'm not going to take them apart. You spread them, but I have a hard time getting them back, so I'm not going to do that. So that was really cute. I've got to work on trying to figure out how to get that right. So thank you for that, Doris. I was so excited to receive that. Yes, the yarn made me squeal. Okay, that's all that I have to show as far as my yarn. As far as my finished objects and my Happy Mail. So let's go ahead and do our 365 days to end this video with. It says, beautiful future. No eye has seen, no ear has heard, and no mind has imagined what God has prepared for those who love him. 1 Corinthians 2:9. Lord, I get anxious about the future. I try to imagine it and it seems so vague and uncertain, all blurry around the edges. I know you know, and I know it is good. So much better than anything I am even capable of conjuring up. This beautiful future is your promise to those who love you, and oh, how I love you. Forgive my anxiety, God. I don't want to dishonor you, and I do trust you, Lord, with my life. I love that it is beyond my imagining, because what I imagine is pretty great. I'm excited to get there and see what you've done. So how do you imagine what God has prepared just for you? That is nice. Okay, so like I said, upcoming video. The Stringy Ding Ding book. There's going to be a giveaway on it, and I'll have a few finished fish items to show you how they come out, what size they are, and things like that. See, you know, if it's something that you'd be interested in buying, which I'm pretty sure you are. Then there, oh, and then I reached my 15K. Thanks to you guys. And thanks to Crystal and all the podcasters behind the scenes that helped Crystal to get me there. So I appreciate everyone so much. So there will be a 15K giveaway. So be sure and look for that too. Okay, guys, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.